Hi there, welcome to Larry Miller Hyundai. My name is Lauren Rosenberg and I am here to show you the all-new Hyundai Kona. The Kona is the latest addition to our SUV lineup, coming in smaller than the Tucson and absolutely loaded with features. This comes available with blind spot detection system, lane keep assist, forward collision warning, GPS, and even a heads-up display. Included in this amazing vehicle is 3 years of BlueLink connected services, which allows you to remote start your car from your phone, Alexa, or Google Home device, and link your mapping system directly to Google. I can't wait to show you this vehicle. Give me a call, 480-750-1786, and let's get on the road today.